Black Americans are the gods of this earth, and all African nations are waiting on them for freedom and black liberation.
Seriously wrong with you. Do you guys know that you guys are the original gods of this planet? You guys are the geniuses that everybody in the world is looking up to for result, for answers. Do you guys know that because of your egocentric, narcissistic ways, that till this day, you'll still do it? You'll think that you're better than everybody. And that's what the white man used against us today. You guys are the gods. You guys are the ones that all nation, all African nation is waiting for African unity. But because you think that you're better, what am I doing? I'm not from Africa. Oh, it's so dirty. Oh, what am I doing there? I'm not going to run be a monkey. That's why you see black people are not united. Because we're waiting for our gods. Not that white Jesus